like to talk you through how to use the pump. So to start with, you turn the valve 45 degrees clockwise. You then fill the pump with water and insert it over a flaccid penis. Attach the handball pump and hose. Apply light pressure to the pump so the pump seals against the groin, and all you do is to continue to pump the handball. As you do so, you will create an erection, so the exact amount of water being removed from the vessel by the handball is replaced by the volume of the expansion of the penis. You simply pump until you can't pump anymore. That will take around about a minute to 2 minutes to create an erection, depending on how familiar you are with the product. To release the pressure, all you do is turn the valve on top, 45 degrees anti-clockwise, and press it, and simply remove the pump. That's how to use the VaxAid Deluxe.